Hello students, welcome to another video on digital signal processing. In today's video, we will study analog frequency transformation. The meaning of frequency transformation is converting one type of filter into another type of filter by applying certain transformation formulas. For example, we can convert a low pass filter to high pass filter, a low pass filter to band pass filter, a low pass filter to band stop filter by using these transformation formulas. Let us start with a numerical. The question is displayed on your screen, which reads as let h of s, this term, represents the transfer function of a low pass filter. So they have said this h of s is a transfer function of a low pass filter, and they have mentioned not Butterworth. And this low pass filter has a pass band of 1 radian per second. So in the initial part of the question, they have given h of s, and they say that it represents a transfer function of a low pass filter, and they mention this is not a Butterworth filter. They have also mentioned the passband frequency of this filter. They have mentioned the passband frequency as 1 radian per second. Now, we have to use the frequency transformation to find the transfer function of the following analog filters. Therefore, using the h of s given in the question, we have to find the transfer function for a low pass filter with the passband of 10 radian per second. We have to find the transfer function for a high pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 1 radian per second. Next, we have to find transfer function for another high pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 10 radian per second. Next, we have to find transfer function for a band pass filter with pass band of 10 radian per second and a center frequency of 100 radian per second. Next, we have to find a transfer function for band stop filter with a stop band of 2 radian per second and center frequency of 10 radian per second. I highly recommend that the students note down the question before watching the next part of the video. Given h of s equals 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. So this transfer function h of s represents transfer function of a low pass filter with cutoff frequency 1 radian per second. Now, the first part of the question states we have to design a low pass filter with cutoff frequency omega c or omega u equals 10 radian per second. And to do so, we will use low pass to low pass transformation. To transform a low pass filter to another low pass filter, we have to use the low pass to low pass transformation, which state as wherever there is s in h of s, that has to be substituted by s divided by omega u. Hence, the required low pass filter is in h of s. Wherever there is s, you have to replace it as s divided by 10. Since in our present question, value of omega u is 10. Once you simplify this, you will get the required HA of S for the low pass filter. The next part of the question is we have to obtain transfer function of a high pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 1 radian per second. To obtain transfer function of a high pass filter using the transfer function of a low pass filter, we have to apply low pass to high pass frequency transformation. The low pass to high pass frequency transformation states as wherever there is S in the transfer function of a low pass filter, that has to be replaced by omega u divided by S. I'll repeat. The low pass to high pass transformation states that wherever there is S in the transfer function of a low pass filter, that has to be replaced by omega u divided by S to get transfer function of a high pass filter. And in line with this, in H of S, wherever there is S, we have to replace it as 1 divided by S. We are writing here 1 because in the present numerical, the value of omega u is 1. Once we apply this transformation on this H of S, we get the transfer function for a high pass filter as S square divided by S square plus S plus 1. The next part of the question is we have to obtain the transfer function for a high pass filter having cutoff frequency of 10 radian per second. Again, we apply the low pass to high pass transformation, which states that wherever there is S in the transfer function of a low pass filter, that has to be replaced by omega u divided by S. And in the present numerical, the value of omega u is 10. Therefore, in this transfer function of a low pass filter, wherever there is S, it has to be replaced by 10 by S. And after simplification, we get the required transfer function for the high pass filter as S square divided by S square plus 10S plus 100. Next part of question is we have to design a band pass filter with a pass band of 10 radian per second and a center frequency of 100 radian per second. To convert a transfer function of a low pass filter to a band pass filter, we have to apply low pass to band pass transformation. The low pass to band pass transformation states as in the transfer function h of s of a low pass filter, wherever there is s, that has to be replaced by s square plus omega u multiplied by omega L, entire term divided by S into omega u minus omega L. The equivalent of this formula is S square plus omega naught square divided by S plus B naught, where omega naught, which is known as the center frequency, can be computed by taking square root of omega u multiplied by omega L, and the term B naught is called as the width of the pass band, and the width can be computed by subtracting omega u and omega L. In the question, they have mentioned the pass band as 10. Therefore, we take the bandwidth as 10, and they have mentioned center frequency as 100. Now, in order to transform a low pass filter to a band pass filter, we have to carry out this substitution in the transfer function of a low pass filter. This is the transfer function of a low pass filter given in the question. So in this transfer function, wherever there is s, we have to substitute it with s square plus 10 raised to 4 divided by 10s. After substituting and simplifying, we get this as the transfer function for a band pass filter. After simplifying the previous step, we get this as the transfer function for the required band pass filter. The next part of the question is we have to design or obtain a transfer function for a band stop filter with stop band of 2 radian per second and a center frequency of 10 radian per second. Next, in order to obtain the transfer function of a bandstop filter from a low pass filter, we have to apply low pass to band pass transformation. The low pass to band stop transformation is displayed on your screen, and it states that wherever there is S, we have to substitute that with S multiplied by difference of omega u and omega L divided by S square plus omega u multiplied by omega L. Omega u multiplied by omega L. The equivalent of this formula is S multiplied by B naught divided by S square plus omega naught square. So we will be using this formula to transform our transfer function of a low pass filter to a transfer function of a band stop filter. So this is the transfer function of a low pass filter given in the question. Now, if you want to convert this transfer function of a low pass filter to a transfer function of a band stop filter, in this, wherever there is S, we need to substitute that as S. Wherever there is S, we need to substitute that as 2S divided by S square plus 100. Upon substitution and simplification, finally we get the transfer function for a band stop filter.